Welcome to the project demonstration of fingerprint and face recognition based security system. So here we are going to use the Raspberry Pi for project execution with input and output modules controlling purpose. So here the main input modules are R303 fingerprint module along with Pi camera. So we are going to identify the fingerprint using this fingerprint sensor, and also we can enroll and format this fingerprint module, and whenever the fingerprint is authorized granted, then there will be a green light indication. If it is not granted, access denied, then red light will be indicated, as well as same status will be displayed on the LCD screen. Coming to the image processing, whenever the person is detected in front of this camera, if the database is stored and the particular face got stored in the database, then it will be identified and it will check for the authorization. Whenever the person is got authorized, same will be status displayed on the LCD screen through the LED indication also. So let us see the demonstration. So just provide the power supply to this adapter, as it will convert the 230 volts input to the 5 volts output. So once we provide the power supply, then the system start booting, and after booting successfully done, there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, as well as these two lights will be on and off 2 times. So after that, it start reading input from the 2 input modules, or R303, right? So we can see that then there will be welcome message and the lights are on and off 2 times. So let us go with the first of all formatting of this fingerprint module. So for that, just E for erasing. So just hold this and keep on seeing that LCD, it will display the data is erasing. So right, data got erased, then you can remove the button. And now if I place that my finger, so it will take maximum of 4 seconds, and after that it's indicated through the red light indication as well as on the LCD screen also. So if I want to store my fingerprint inside this fingerprint module, then there will be one procedure, right? Access denied. So press this switch and it will ask for the place the finger. Now I am placing my finger to store inside this module, and once successfully storing was done, then it will display the fingerprint got stored, and then we can remove the finger. Till that time we should place the fingerprint module on this fingerprint module only. Right, finger stored. Now remove the finger. Now access granted and green light indication. So now coming to the face recognition, as already my face got stored inside the database, and so while we demonstrating for face recognition, we should have the more sunlight on your face. So it will take maximum of 10 seconds for face recognition operation, and main thing is we should have more sunlight on your face. Right, it's not recognized. Right, so we can see that my name will be displaying on the LCD module, and the number is going to be the accuracy, how much of accuracy got detected, right? And also there is a green light indication. So this is the security system for home or car to locking and unlocking system. As we can see that we represented the locking and unlocking system on the LEDs. So as another face is placed in front of the camera, its face not recognized. Thank you.